Hello guys, good morning. Ito po ay Lexus. This is Lexus 570 2013 model. So the problem is this, there is a check engine and there is a little vibration. So when they will be checked in the computer, there is a misfire from the 1357 bank 1. So now we will be check if what is the main problem, if the spark plug or the coil only. So okay, so we are going here. This is V8 engine. The bank one is this side from the left if you are in the front of the car. So I will be take out the coil and check the spark plug. That's it. Okay. So now we will be take out the wire of the glass. This is number 7. Here. Also here. So if you will take out the coil, don't mix. Do not mix the number 1 or number 2 the coil, because you must know where is the exactly problem. Higpit ito. It's very hard. It is hard. So this is the one. The other one is number 4. One. This is the number 3. Now, we will check to see what happened to the spark plug. Okay. The spark plug not good or not too bad. So much better to change of this. There is a sign of clicking of the spark of the coil. Is the number 2. Okay. Another one. Not too bad. Sign of leaking only. The other one. The spark plug is not too tight. It will be loose. To fix it here in the cylinder head. It's not good. So we need to change this spark plug. This kind of engine must need to be a good spark plug. There's a sign, and also the tip is not good. It's the brown color now. So we will be change this. Because this is only the sign of malfunction or vibration of this engine. So ito po yung bank to. This number is 2468. Now I will take off the coil if there is a problem or not. No sign of bad coil here, but the other side there is a one coil not good. So now we will know if there's a problem also there. Okay, we'll check out the spark plug. So this spark plug is good, but I need to change this. Customer is that it's too much talking. just need to change this. So that is only. Need to clean also the throttle body. Throttle body, it's very dirty inside. See that? We'll install the spark plug and coil number 7. There is a problem now. This is still check engine. We will be erase of this, and we can see about the code. So we'll go to the Asian check engine. So we'll direct here. Natin Lexus. Loading. Compound. So, okay. So we will read store code. What's that? Mass airflow, volume airflow, inertic temperature sensor, camshaft position sensor. So I think now it's not. Return. Another one. Mass airflow, air intake temperature sensor, high circuit. Pending code, permanent code. What's that? No permanent code. So we will erase the check engine. Okay. Now it's good. It's done. So we go exit. Exit to the existing system. Okay.